Chat, please tell me you can hear me. Please tell me you can hear me, chat. Good morning, good morning. We are live and we are in a trade. I know. I'm going to hold this. I was hoping to be out of this trade by now, but I might try to hold it through the open. It's kind of crazy. But if we see a nice move lower, worst thing that can happen is we basically end up break even. So I'm going to leave it. I usually don't hold the trades, but this was a good entry. It was a good setup short. I'm going to keep it. And let's see what happens at the open. Should be fun, chat. Good morning. Good morning. Are we live? Let's go. You guys can hear me. Oh, let's go, chat. All right, market. We need a nice, friendly move lower at the open. We are likely going to get stopped out, but I do think we could see this thing rip lower. And if we do, we're going to take advantage of it. Brazil, good morning. Hey, let's go. Jim JB is here. 12 Vac. Good morning, John. Citizen Zero is here. Miss K. Oh, I don't know why I have the hiccups. Good morning, Miss K. Hawkeye Boy, carry on. Antonio, Dean Bishop, that one. Clarity Trader, good morning. Good morning, Kid Poker. Good to see you. Let's go. Touchdown. Good morning, Stinkfinger. And Louise, good morning. Black Coffee Traders in the house. Good morning. Perfect play. Trader 808, micro player. Payout approved last night. Let's go, Kid Poker. I forgot to ask you, what prop firm did you get your payout on? Good morning, Frosty Ducks, Jake Dell, Eagle Eye, Michael, good morning. All right, we are about to open. Moment of truth. Are we going to see this thing dump or are we just going to get stopped out immediately? Let's go. Dump it. 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 Man, I should almost just take it off. You know what? I'm going to take it off. I'm not going to be an idiot and hold right through the open. The chance this wicks up and stops me out is so high. I'm just going to take my profit. Let's see what happens. Market opening in 2, 1. Oh! Uh-oh. We just froze. What? What? What is happening? Market! Wake up! Wake up, market! And this is looking choppy. Now we wait. Oh, you know what I just realized? Nah, we're fine. All right. I am going to be trading take profit account and I'm going to be including this now. We're just going to be patient and wait. I don't want to trade the open right here. But right now we would be looking at shorts. That was weird, wasn't it, John? The chart froze. Good morning, Golf Guy Mike, proprietary trader. Oh, let's go, Kid Poker. Payout from Apex. Let's go. Is that on the new accounts, Kid Poker? That is one thing with Apex that I will say. I mean, I know a lot of people are complaining about the live, and I will say the whole live program is, I mean, it is happening. And I think they are looking at it a little bit more seriously about when people are being moved live. I know that is being revisited, but it is really nice to have the auto payout approvals. I mean, that part is really, really nice. Wow, look at that. Well, we would have hit our target, I think, if we would have held, but hey, you know, it is what it is. I'm okay with it. Let's see if this thing's going to dump down through the 680s. Right now, we're bouncing off the VWAP. Bouncy, bouncy. Yeah, I was approved in minutes. Let's go, Kid Poker. Kid Poker, just FYI, it takes about 5 to 7 business days for the payout to hit your bank. That's what I experienced. I tracked mine. Once I was approved, it took like 5 to 7 business days for it to hit your bank. So just so you're aware. But I wish they would speed that process up a little bit more. Like, I would love to see approvals and the payouts go out like the next day. I would love to see that. Maybe we'll see that in, you know, maybe in the future. That I think that would be awesome. If there was just some things that Apex could change, again, constructive feedback. It is just a little bit faster on the payouts. Like, once approved, next day payouts would be awesome. And then we still need more clarity on the live program. Like, I just want to have assurance, like, if nobody is getting to 6 payouts before they're moved live, then that needs to be revisited on how it's being presented. Because right now, it says 6 payouts max, which I get. They can move you live at any point. But if everybody is getting moved live at a certain point, then, and nobody is getting to 6 payouts, then that's the part I feel like needs more transparency. We just need more clarity on it. Because obviously that has a big, it makes a big difference. It makes a big difference. All right, market testing the 680s. Right now it's holding, but it might, I still think the shorts here are in play. I did like I mean, this was a good setup. I was hoping on this drop we would just see it continue to fall before the open, but we didn't do it. Of course, every time I don't hold, it goes directly to my target, chat. Some things never change. False advertising. Yeah, it's just a little misleading. I mean, I just think, again, if people know they can get 3 payouts, I mean, if you can get 3 payouts with 20 accounts, you know, that's still a good payday, but you just need, you know, people want to know that. People want to know that. All right, market. We are just gonna chill and wait, but it looks like we're gonna get some short setups here again this morning. Once again. Man, what a move we had yesterday, though. Or last night. Last night, all the way from the 250s. And, I mean, it's crazy, but we almost had a 700-point move in the overnight session. Like, we had 670 points is the overnight range. Like, that is crazy. But that's just how the market has been. That's just kind of seems like it's, I don't know, is this going to be the new normal? By stopping the 20 account nonsense? Yeah, I don't know. I've always been a hard, you know, I think, but if it is actually because of the 20 accounts, yeah, I'm going to start kind of changing my opinion on it and be like, I don't know. I have a lot of questions I would love to ask. Whoa, look at that dump. Look at that rip. Look at that rip all the way back up in the 780s. Man. I mean, we could get a short setup here. We got to pay attention. Hey, TCM Trades, good morning. I fell asleep with a pending order open last night and lost one of my Buellnox accounts. Sorry, Zilla. Oh, that's not fun. That's not cool, man. All right, let's pay attention here. I mean, I want to see an entry around the 740s. I'm not going to go short down here at the 708s. I'm not taking that short. We are just not doing it. Let's see what happens. What is going to happen here? I mean, technically, my entry would be here the 708s, but I just don't like these setups. I'd have to enter here, and my stop would have to be literally 95 points. I just can't justify that. So we're going to have to just watch this thing nosedive, I guess. Wow, look at that. That's always what happens, like at the open. And I feel like if I'm trading the open, I almost have to go with the 30-second chart. If I go with the 30-second chart, my entry would be at the 740s. My stop would be at the 90s, 50 points. That is doable. So I don't know. I feel like when the market's moving really fast, the 30-second chart is a little bit better, but you got to be... There's just going to be a lot more fake outs. So I don't know. Man, this is looking dumpy. Are we going to get another bounce here, the 680s? All right, the overnight lows are down here at the 600s. No, that's the midpoint. Sorry, chat. Overnight lows are all the way down here at the 265s. We got a long way to go to get to the overnight lows. All right, market, we wait. Yeah, we need to wait. This is not really tradable right now. The shorts are still in play if we can get a better entry. I'd like my entry to be around the 740, anywhere between the 760 and 740s. Until then, I gotta wait. We just be waiting. I mean, the 660 here are trying to hold, but this does not, it doesn't look good for the bulls. Honestly, for the bulls, we need to get above the 820s. We need to get above the 820s to really, for this really to be something. I wish I could enter short here, but I can't. Whoa, what was that, chat? Whoa. Was there news at 9:45? Oh no, chat. Look at this thing go. No way, chat. Sorry, I was texting Alpine. Alpine's freaking out. Alpine's freaking out. He's using Ninja Trader and affordable indicators for the first time. And he's a noob. He's a noob. I'm trying to tell him what to do. More importantly, trying to tell him what not to do. Oh man. All right, chat. This thing looks like she wants to rip, huh? Anyway, we be chilling. We gonna be chilling now. What a rip. All right, I guess we look for we can possibly look for longs. But we gotta wait. It's gonna take a while before we get an actual setup here long. No, Stinkfinger, no. Finally passed some new TBTs. Just need another flip day. Let's go, RX. Let's go. We just wait. I mean, the problem is now because this is so volatile. See how the EMAs, so these EMAs are in order. Right now, these EMAs are crossing. So that's why I can't take a trade. That's kind of my indicator on if we're entering a choppy market or we're in a trend market. So obviously when we're right in the middle of like a V-shaped reversal move, I'm not really going to have any trades. So I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I've never traded the V-shaped reversals well anyway, so we're just going to have to wait. But man, this market is crazy. This thing is crazy, chat. Stinkfinger is the best name on here. I know, Clyde. It's crazy. I'm fine not taking trades with this kind of moves. These kind of moves are... All right, market. We're going to take out those overnight highs up there in the 940s. I just don't... My goodness, look at this thing go. I just don't want this thing to go like crazy. I need this thing to slow down. Slow down, my boy. I need you to slow down so I can get some entries here. If you want to rip higher, I want to join, but this is looking like it's just gonna rip. Man. That is crazy. Let's look at the 30-second chart. What a crazy move. Man, this thing is so crazy right now. Look at it go. 980s. It just ripped right up through the overnight highs. Crazy. Oh, this might be a long day, chat. Is anyone else having connecting to Ninja Trader on your Apex? I'm not having any issues, Matthew. Look at this thing go. Ay, ay, ay. Look at that thing go. We got to get a pullback, right? I mean, are we really just going to go straight up? We got to get a pullback here, right? I mean, we just got to wait. I got to be patient. We need a pullback right now. We can get an entry if we get a pullback into the 880s. I'm a little bit scared, chat. I know we've seen this before. We've had multiple different cases where we have seen we sweep the overnight highs and then it's just a complete nosedive to new lows. So I'm a little bit skeptical of it, but if we get a setup long, we're gonna take it. It's just that simple. If we get a setup, we are gonna take it. Come on, give me a pullback. Come on. Go lower. Oh, yeah, the pullbacks are going to be 100 points. Easy. Easy. That's what's so insane. Trading one micro is difficult. You finally caught a home run, just closed out on a 30K trade. Let's go, Golf Guy Mike. Oh, let's go, Golf Guy Mike. This is for you. Ooh, that is sick. That is an awesome trade. Let's go, golf guy Mike. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Here comes the pullback. I mean, I can only trade one micro. I'd love to trade two, but I can't. But we can't just have this. We are not going to get an entry. This strip straight back up. We are going to be, I'm actually not going to be happy. Please don't rip straight back up, market. No. Please don't. Don't do it. Don't. Oh. Come on down. Come on down. Oh, this is not what I wanted to see. I'm afraid I'm afraid it's just going to rip straight back up. We might still get it. I don't know. 680s to the 980s, almost you got 300 points. That is unbelievable. Let's go, golf guy Mike. You know what? The hardest part about that trade is not the entry. It's holding for that long. I wish I could do that, golf guy Mike. Maybe someday. It was 6,200 times 5. Hey, that's what matters, golf guy Mike. Same thing. 30K is 30K. All right, here we go. Oh, Snapchat. All right, right here's my entry. Let's see if we're going to get cooked or not. Here we go. Are we getting in? We're in, chat. Rip it! Please don't even give me any drawdown. Just go straight up. That would be great. That would be great. If we could just go straight up to new highs, I would appreciate it. I would appreciate it, market. Go. Come on, ribbit. Go, baby. Come on, just go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Don't fake out. Whatever you do, market. Ribbit! Ribbit! Go! Hit it! Just go! Hit it! Let's go, chat! Let's go, chat! Thick trade, man. That was fun. That was fun. It's too easy. I mean, that was picture perfect. Oh, that makes my heart almost melt. Let's go, chat. Now, I wish I would have two contracts, but I can't. I can't trade two micros. It's insane. Market is too crazy. Unbelievable. Too easy. Let's go, John. Look at this thing rip, man. How big of a move was that? That was from the 920s to the 9. That was 80 points. That was 80 points in less than 2 minutes. 80 points. Nutty 2.0. Now we wait and take the next entry, chat. We're like a robot. No emotions. Let's go. Now we really do need another pullback. Let's see if we get it. Maybe today we actually do just go higher. The previous day's high is all the way up there at the 250s. And again, on the daily chart, it looks, I mean, it looks interesting, but this is still we're still in a downtrend on the daily. So we've got some work to do for the bulls to really reclaim, for it to really reclaim today. Like, we need to hold, actually, we need to close on the day. We need to close above the 200s for this to really be a bullish day, in my opinion. Hey, Tony Sparks, good morning. That was one of those entries, if you were not paying attention, like if I was not paying attention, it would be really easy to miss that entry. Be really easy to miss. The fifth 4-hour candle is green. Oh, wow. Ooh, you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, chat, do I need to do this? I feel like we need to do this. Hang on. Let me help you guys out. I know 90% of you paid for, I know 90% of you probably paid $6,000 for this, but I'm going to show it to you for free. All right, pay attention. Look at this, chat. This is what we call a tan line trade. We are right at previous resistance. So the way you want to do this, if we break above this, you want to go long. Okay, chat? You can, yes. Oh, let's go. Golf Guy Mike with $100. Duck race on me today for chat. Let's go, Golf Guy Mike. Thank you, thank you. You are too kind. You are too kind. Let's go, Golf Guy Mike. Making it rain. Love to see it. Love to see it, Golf Guy Mike. Thank you. We will be doing, we will definitely do a duck. We will do a duck race. I'll let you decide, Golf Guy Mike. Do you want subscriber mode only? Subscriber only mode. And how long does someone need to be subscribed in order to be eligible? You can tell me. It's up to you. Making it rain. Love to see it. All right, market. We're getting another pullback. Can we get another entry? Pressure's on. Let's do sub only for a year. All right, let's go, Golf Guy Mike. I like that. I like it. I like it. Okay, we will do that, Golf Guy Mike. I will do that. We'll do it later in the stream. Or I guess, yeah, we can do it whenever you want, Golf Guy Mike. But I want to see, come on, can we get another pullback? I'd love another entry. You know what? I should probably stop. I should probably stop. You know what? No, I'm not. I'm not going to stop trading those trade days. I think those trade day accounts, we officially have, I think we have 3 days now of $150 or more. So, love it. That filters 90% of the current viewers. Oh, no. You would be shocked. I'm going to dare bet if we do subscriber only mode for over a year, there's going to be over 100 people eligible for the giveaway. I bet there's going to be over 100 entries. That is such a banger trade. That is so awesome. Golf Guy Mike, what prop firm was that on? All right, we just need a little deeper pullback here. We need to pull back into the 950s. Tradeify 50K select accounts. Wow, that was on 50K accounts. That is even more impressive, Golf Guy Mike. Let's go. So I'm going to match your $100. So we're going to do a total of $200 giveaway. We'll do a cash giveaway. We haven't done a cash giveaway in a while, so we will do a cash money giveaway. That'll be later today. So we'll probably do, we could do 100 to first, and then 75. I'll do 225, whatever. We'll figure something out. All right, we're getting the pullback. Time to pay attention. It is time to pay attention. Now, this is another case where we need another candle to close right here, because I am not going to take an entry up here at the 920s. I'm not going to do it. I don't like taking my entries at basically at the previous highs. To me, it's just not worth it. So we need this candle to close like somewhere around the 980s. But we have the first step on an entry has been triggered. Step number 1. And if we pull back further, it's okay. I wouldn't mind if we pull back into the 920s again. Man, we are pulling back, testing the 900s. We can get a pullback all the way to the 860s, and we can get an entry, but I would like to see this stick around. This is now starting to feel like we might be in reversal territory. Starting to feel a little questionable. Are we going to see another sweep of the highs, and then you're just going to dump? The heck? My internet having issues? All right, come on down. Now we just got to wait. I'm going to be... I don't know. This is starting to not look great. This does not look great for the bulls. And we shall wait and see, but this is starting to look a little questionable. We could still get an entry long here, but I'm a little more hesitant here. Actually, if we close below the 840s on this candle, I'm not sure we can take it. Kind of avoids the entry long. But as long as we don't close below the 840s, my entry is going to be basically right here. Man, we're hanging out right in the danger zone. I don't know. I don't think we can take that entry anymore. I mean, it's very borderline. If we rip back above the 900s, maybe. Starting to feel like a reversal like we've seen in the past. Kind of seems like we want to rip higher. We take out the overnight highs. And then we just whoosh, dump this thing all the way down. That's what happened yesterday. I'm not really interested in participating. So we wait. I'm okay. If we don't even get another setup the rest of the day, I'm going to be okay with it. Now, if this thing wicks, if this wicks up and closes above this EMA, we technically could get a long entry. So, not saying we can't, but it does not look good. This thing's got to get a wick entry long here. Yeah, you should be good, golf guy. Yeah. If you did the 5-day option, I think you're golf guy Mike for Nutty Bar subscriber of the month. Sounds good to me, Niles. Yes. All right, we actually could get an entry here. I'm not sure I like this, though. But it is so borderline. It is so borderline on this entry. I want to see where my stop would be. I don't think I'll get even triggered in, but yeah, this thing's dumping, chat. I'll keep this order on. If we get filled on this candle, we're in. But if this candle closes lower, we're officially out of this trade or not going to take it. Hey, good morning, Sharouz. Yeah, where's Design Knob? Design Knob must have joined Joom. Design Knob must have, he's probably somewhere on the same island that Joom is at. Somebody should do a wellness check. No way. Is this actually going to wick? Is this going to wick? No shot. Nah, this thing is cooked. All right. Now we can't take any more longs. We gotta wait. It's gonna take a while. We're gonna have to wait until these EMAs are done crossing and the EMAs are actually in line, and then we can take shorts. It's gonna be a while, chat. It's fine. This Nutty 2.0 doesn't look for trades. We just wait. We just wait. Auntie. Might be going live with Lucid soon too. Cap it all off. Interested to see how that works. First time going live with a prop. Let's go, Golf Guy Mike. You're killing it. That's great to see. I love it. Did Design Knob fake play? No, he took a break. Design Knob took a break. Rightfully so. Thursdays are designed to take back people's money they overconfidently made earlier in the week. Yeah, could be Stinkfinger. Short selling should be illegal. Making money off a company's destruction goes against the spirit of investments. Elon Musk, Warren Buffett. I don't know about that. Man, it is happening again. Market just dumping once again. At least we didn't get faked out this time. At least we didn't get triggered in on a long. So that was nice of the market. Everybody about to get zoomed on SpaceX IPO tomorrow. Yeah, that SpaceX IPO tomorrow is going to be interesting. It is going to be interesting, man. Yeah, I don't know what to think. I mean, it feels like it's way overvaluated, but one thing I've learned in the market is what you think is overvalued is just an opinion. The market just does not care. Oh, I wanted to check. What is oil doing? Wow, oil's just kind of doing its own thing again. Gold just kind of going sideways. Seeing a little bounce here. I don't know. Problem now is if this rips all the way back up, I'm just going to have to watch it go. We can't really do anything about it. All right, now we just have to wait. It's going to be kind of boring if this rips higher now because just gonna not going to get really a setup here. Wow, look at that. Just ripping straight up now. Are we really just gonna rip back right back up? I really hope we don't. Wow. Oh, look at it go. We bounced right off that VWAP. Right off the VWAP. Oh. Mm. Man, this thing really looks like it wants to rip right back to the new highs. I guess we wait and see. The way this market's been acting, though, this thing could just dump straight back down. It rips so fast, the indecisive new traders are too hesitant to catch the move all on yeah, kinda. True. Bought that low. It was the top of the opening range. Jumped out of trade with that low wick. And it takes exactly, John. Exactly. Feel like a lot of times when we have these kind of breakouts, we see like this pullback, and then it just rips straight back up. But we did. We came right back down the 15-minute opening range high, tested it right at the VWAP as well, and now just ripping it. Ripping it. Oh, well, so it goes. Now we're going to be patient. Look at this. Are we going to just dump? I don't know, man. This is where it's nice to not even consider taking a trade. I love the fact that I forgot how much peace of mind it gives me to just follow a simple strategy. Like, just don't overcomplicate it. It keeps things simple because I'm not tempted to long or short. I'm not even trying to think what I should do. We just wait. I think that's the power of following a strategy. Down, down we go. Now this could, I mean, this is okay because I think it's more likely that we'll get a short setup before we get a long setup. So yeah, especially when the volatility is so great. Yeah, waiting is really difficult to do. Which two EMAs am I watching? So this EMA, I hate that I can't click on things, but this EMA is it's basically a 10 EMA, okay? It's a 10 EMA, which basically represents a 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart. But on the 2 minute chart, I have it as a 10-minute EMA. This is a 21 EMA. This is a 51 EMA. The 51 EMA basically represents the 21 EMA on the 5-minute chart. All right, are we this thing is getting real ugly. Choppy. Very choppy. Hey, good morning, Bella. How we doing? Good morning. Let's do this. Last 15 minutes, the market pumped 100 points, dumped 100, and exactly. That's what's so wild. Like, this is from the 920s to the 820s. Like, this is a 100-point move. And if you try to trade this, it's pretty crazy, man. This market can't decide what it wants to do. Or it's chopping right now. Going back and forth, back and forth. I would like to see this just dump. Let's just dump down through the 760s. It's kind of what I would like to see, but might not happen. Hey, who is texting me? I don't know. I want to see this thing dump down through the 760s, make new lows. If this just rips right back up, I mean, it's just going to take so much longer to get it set up. We got to be okay with just sitting on our hands, chat. Wait, Apex is not working? That's really weird, Sugar's 5150. I haven't... Is it Tradevate accounts? You're going to have Cheerios in honor of Cody. Let's go, RX. Look at that. It's just, it is so choppy right now. Like, what even are we doing? Choppy, choppy, choppy. Man, this is crazy. Oh, it's on Rhythmic. So Apex Rhythmic is having issues. Okay, I see. Wow, look at that. Just straight back up. Man. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. Well, I guess we can just be happy we're not trading this stuff. Wow, I mean, it's insane. 100-point range, and we've been chopping in 100-point range. Unbelievable. Look at it go. Your PA account trades didn't show up yesterday, and PA accounts didn't show up this morning. Whatever, Black Coffee. That's so weird. Oh, Buellnox was having issues as well. Oh, so it must be a Rhythmic must be having issues as a whole. So it's a Rhythmic issue. Got it. All right, 920s. Look at this. Look at this. That's 100 points, 100 points lower now. Unbelievable. Like, what are we doing? Since when did Apex put a daily loss limit to 1,000 on the PA account? Dummy trader? Since they removed the MAE rule violation, the new accounts have $1,000 day loss limit. Yep. You must not have been following along, dummy trader. But yeah, that's how it is. Evals as well. Definitely makes it harder to pass evals. I will guarantee you that. And right back up. Let's take a moment and just be thankful that I'm not trying to trade this. Whew. Be annoying. Look at the current hourly candle. Oh, that looks about right. It's like a spinning top. Interesting. BPCFB, I just had something really scary happen. Ninja Trader 8, Ninja Trader crashed when I reconnected, ghost orders fired off and put me into positions. Oh, that is a scary time, BPCF. Thank you. Thank goodness that you were able to get out. All right, market, we got to do something here, man. This thing is absolutely untradeable right now. Unless you're Danteloy Dan. Danteloy Dan, just trade the range. It's too easy. Have you guys done the Ninja Trader update? Because I did not do the Ninja Trader update, so maybe that's why. Huh. I don't know. John, I forgot about him. Oh my gosh. Oh, I forgot about him, man. I mean, this thing, it feels like it wants to go higher, like it looks like it should, but don't trust it. Definitely not going to trade it. And right back down. Unbelievable. All right, are we gonna flush? Are we gonna flush finally? This is crazy. Max 90. Time for Ben and Rose. Hey, don't tempt me with a good time. I don't like trading when it's going into a wedge. Always pick their own direction. Yeah, right now it's just choppy. I don't think this is very choppy right now. Let's see if we go. Can't believe this thing just stuck here. Hey, money trader. Anybody in the chat, have you had problems with affordable indicators copy trader? I'm trading one contract, but it's entering me into 4. I personally use Replicanto as my trade copier. I don't use affordable indicators, but I guess so. I'm not sure. I can't really speak on that. Hey, Pat's trader Daryl. Good morning, Daryl. My other brother Daryl. All right, market. Just do something. Literally, we need this market to take, like, we need to get below the 660s for real. If we can get below the 660s, I think we can get some setups. But right now, this is trash. Dump it. Just do it. Oh, you know what? I know what's wrong, chat. I need my I haven't had my Coke. Coke as in Coke Zero. Look at that. Right back up. Unreal. This is gonna be a long day. We need a code. Try it. If you go to Walmart, you buy some Coke Zero, tell them that you have code NBT. See if they give you a discount. I mean, we gotta go lower, right? We can't just keep going. We can't keep chopping back and forth. Come on. Oh, this is where patience pays. You just gotta be patient. This market is insane. We really, really, really need to get below the 760s. If this bounces again at the 760s, I mean, this has got to go higher. If the 760s hold, feel like we have to almost break to the upside. We need to break down below the 760s here really bad. Just do it. Just do it. Crazy, crazy market. All right. For the 100th time. Can this thing go lower? Nope. That's a negative. Jeez, that's insane. Oh my goodness. We gotta go lower, chat. We got to. We gotta go lower. All right. See if it keeps going. I record all of my sessions. 1 minute ATR 14. Oh, yes. Rick Ace. Yep. All right, let's see if this is gonna. Hey, we're finally going lower. We are finally going lower, chat. All right. I think we might be able to get a setup. Let's now we wait, but this is at least a good start. All right, we are about to take out the 660 lows. Here we go. Let's see if we can do it. Come on, now we just need a pullback so we can get an entry. Look at this, look at the hour, look at this 4-hour chart now, chat. We respected the Tory Tan lines was respected. She is probably making millions. Millions. $20 bond auction. All right, down we go. 620s. Down goes Frazier. You just got 250K flex lucid accounts with my code. Thank you, Tristan. Thank you very much. Much appreciated. Let's go. Good luck. Good luck, Tristan. Can you have more than 5 total accounts with TBT as long as you have no more than 5 funded? Yes, TCM trades. Yes, you can. 3 trades a year, 100% win rate, 500K on each, 1.5 million a year. Tory tan lines. That's right. That's right. Oh, Matty Matt. Good morning, Matty Matt. How we doing? You're having a party at the office? For real? Oh, dear. Oh, no. Oh, no. All right. I need... I mean, now we need a pullback, chat. We need a nice pullback into this 740 area. If we can get a pullback into the 740s, we got a short entry potential. That's what we need right now. Come on, give me that pullback. I want to trade, and I wanted to trade now. I haven't bought an eval since before April. Let's go, Matty Matt. Let's go. I'm really curious, the space, the IPO. I wonder what's going to happen. I think, I think it's probably going to see a big pullback, but I don't know. Who knows, man? All right, market. We are right at the midpoint of the overnight session. I usually don't pay that much attention to the midpoint, but on a big rangy day, maybe that's valid. But what a dump. What a dump we have seen. This is once again, very familiar to what we've seen the last couple days. We, at the open, we sweep the overnight highs, and then we just see this thing dump. So, kind of interesting. I feel pretty fortunate to, we were very patient. We got our entry right here, took our profit. I feel pretty fortunate for that. We need a pullback, chat. I think what the big play from Elon will be is that Tesla will merge with SpaceX. Yeah, I've heard that too, Matty Matt. I've heard that as well. I think we're headed for the overnight low, 28,265. I just need a pullback. Now we just need a pullback back into the 720s. That's all I need. 120 point pullback. The market cap is 1.75 trillion. We are really going to see it go to 175. Yeah, I don't think so either, Matty Matt. I kind of agree. But Matty Matt. Look at this rip. Ooh, boys, she ripping. She's a ripper. All right, we are entering potential setup territory. All right, chat, let's be on the lookout. Let's see if this is just going to be a dump or not. Come on, I can't have this. I can't have this dump now. Please don't do it. Don't just go straight down here, please. We need this to at least test the 715s. Ah. Man. This is going to annoy me if this just goes straight down now. Don't do it. This is so borderline. It's a very... I mean, I feel like I could enter here. It's very close, but it's very, very close. You know what? Why? Let's just let's not force anything. This is gonna annoy me if this dumps. Hector, a quick question, please, since I know you know a lot about Apex. I got 3 accounts passed. I went to 2FA the account, but I lost my code. So, wait, how do you mean you lost your 2-factor authentication? Are you saying that you deleted, like, the 2-factor authentication app? Oh, wow. Oh, chat. Oh, hang on, chat. Okay. Man, I'm glad I didn't force that trade. Now we wait. We can still get an entry up here, the 750s. So we might still have a short entry here, but this is going to annoy me if this is just going to rip straight up now. Come on. How can you forget the code? Just get a new one. You don't need to. The code refreshes every minute. Hector, so the Authenticator app, you should have an app that is like Authenticator app, and every minute it gives you a new 6-digit number. You just need to put in the current number that it shows on your Authenticator app. That's all you need. All right, I got to pay attention here, chat. We might have something here. If this is going to rip straight back up, I'm going to just be cooked. We got 40 seconds for this candle to close, and we'll see where our entry is. Please don't just rip straight up. No. All right, let's see if we get filled. Let's see if we get filled. I mean, I like my, I mean, if we get filled, great. If not, I guess we just don't get filled. Hector. RXHX. Very funny. He lost a 12 or 16 digit code. What do you mean the 12 or 16 digit code? It's not on my app. Let me check that. So it's not on your Google Authenticator app. I'm so confused, Hector. So, okay. How long does it take TBT to pay out? Jay Wilson, it usually takes like a half a day, something like that. It's not that long. Or at least within a day. He's talking about his code for his PC? Now I'm even more confused. What? All right, this market just wants to go higher. I guess it is what it is. I guess whatever, man. We can still get an entry up here, but it's not looking like we're going to get an entry. So, you know what? It's better not getting an entry than getting an entry and then getting stopped out. So we'll take it. Parabolic moves. That's 200 points, chat. 200 points right back up. That's the 16 digits with Windows 11. So are you saying Windows 11 has an authenticator app? Like, is that what you're saying, Ace Undercover? $140 legacy PA account. Oh, I see, Mr. Wall Street. Yeah, I don't know who was saying that. You lost my code from the Google Authenticator that I use. So you lost your Google Authenticator app. That's crazy. I don't even know how you... I would reach out to support, Hector. I would reach out to support, tell support what the problem is, and see if they can maybe reset it so you can at least log back in, and then maybe you can set up your two-factor authentication, like basically set it up again. All right, we got to pay attention here because we could get an entry. I'm not sure I want to go short, but if we do get an entry short, I'm going to take it. Right now, my entry short would be right here. Wow, look at that. It just wants to rip higher. Wow. Oh, man. Okay, then. I guess we won't get an entry. Never mind. Never mind. We're literally not going to get another setup today, chat. I'm convinced. We are not getting another setup. I mean, these moves are insane. 250 points. We dropped 350 points. And now we're going up 250. That's just wild, man. Man, this is oh, technically I could take a short. I think I could take a short right here. Do I want to do that? Such a borderline. I got to make up my mind. Ugh. I guess we're not taking the trade. I don't know. Kind of technically, when this candle closed above, we technically can't, but feel like there's a little bit of discretionary. All right, we're back. Okay. This thing is very bullish. Very bullish, chat. I'm guessing price will go to the right. That is the best thing I've seen. That's the best prediction I've seen today. Oh yeah, I mean, I guess we wait. We could see a long entry. There is a chance we can get a long entry, so we shall be waiting. But right now, these EMAs are not in the correct order. We need to get these EMAs in the right order before we can actually take that long entry, so I guess we will wait. Don't have much else to do. I'm the best eval trader ever. I'm also the worst PA trader ever. Welcome home. I don't see. Yeah, I don't see it either, Mr. Wall Street. I did not see that. Hmm. Man, trading this way gets boring. Maybe this is what people mean when they say, "Oh, the best traders think trading is boring." Because you're not doing anything. Hello? There have only been 2 to 3 good trades a day at most, and some days none. Over that is called over trading. You're probably right. You're probably right. But you know what? I've discovered it's never over trading when you're winning. You know, when you have a great day, you take 100 trades and you're up 5 grand. You never hear people say, wow, I was over trading. It's only when you lose. Every bad habit is good as, but long term is bad. That's true. That is a good point. That is a very good point. Hmm. What's your early indicator of a choppy market and when to stay out? Well, I mean, what I do is I just wait. Like when my EMAs are not like in order, basically when my EMAs are crossing or they're like basically like this, when they're starting to cross, that's when I just don't want to be trading. Like right here, it started crossing. And then this is where it's spread apart. And the EMAs were in the correct order. That's when I was looking for a trade, but we didn't get a setup. And now we're crossing. These EMAs are crossing once again. So now we got to wait. Price is going to have to keep going higher for us to get a long entry. If it just goes down again from here, I don't know. Just going to have to wait. But that's basically what I look at. Market is being very temperamental right now. Makes it really difficult when the market is going, hundreds of points up and down. Do I think price is reacting this way according to SpaceX? I'm sure it has something to do with it, but ever since last Friday we had that 1,600 point dump. Ever since that, we have had a very volatile market. It's going to probably take a week or two to calm down. If you uninstall the new and then install the previous version, your settings all stay. Oh, for the NinjaTrader? Well, I'm not gonna update to the new NinjaTrader. I've heard too many people having issues, so I'm just gonna wait. We are gonna wait. Did you buy that indicator you use for placing orders? I did, Crystal NQ. That is from Affordable Indicators Chart Trader. Oh no, you already upgraded? Well, I don't know. Maybe if it's working for you, then it's fine. But good morning, Trader 007. Good morning. Man, this thing is just not moving. Golf Guy Mike, are you in the chat? Do you trade using your laptop or my desktop? Desktop. Golf Guy Mike, are you here? He's drunk on the floor from too much time. Golf Guy Mike said, I'm out. He's going to go. He might be celebrating, chat. Actually, he might be golfing. That would sound right. I wanted to wait and do the giveaway until he's here. I wanted to wait till he's here, but yeah, he might be. Find him at the local strip bar. Up or down? I mean, I don't know. Right now, I'd say the market is bullish right now, but who knows? Does it cost $6.95? Crystal, I don't think so. I don't think it's that expensive. If you just do the basic chart trader. I mean, I hate when I don't shave right. I shaved and I missed a place. All right, market, just do something. I'm convinced I'm not getting another setup today. which is okay. We can wait. All right. I was hoping Golf Guy Mike was here. I guess we could wait a little bit. Golf Guy Mike calling out. Golf Guy Mike, are you with us? Are you here? Stay with me. Yeah, market going higher. I mean, we might get a long setup here. We might get a long setup. I'm going to check something here. Let's wait 30 seconds, 29, 28. If I made that much, I'd be golfing. If I made 30,000 today, I'd be golfing too. No lie. Actually, no, I have to mow my lawn today. I got to mow my lawn today. So, yeah, is what it is. By the way, chat, I wanted to ask you guys, do you guys notice a difference in my stream quality? Do you notice anything different? I changed a couple settings. I'm not sure if it actually makes a difference or not. The pic looks like 4K. Okay, all right. I mean, I have always been, I think the 1440p is same. No change. You're still late 90% of the time. That's fair. Hey, today I was only late for like 2 minutes. Having the stream on the 65-inch in the living room, it's different. Yeah. All right, final call for Golf Guy Mike. Are you here? Golf Guy Mike, are you here? Going once, going twice. I don't think he's here, chat. I hate to do this, chat, but we're going to do this in honor of Golf Guy Mike. You now need to be, we're going to do the giveaway. We are going to do the giveaway. Subscriber only mode. I'm sorry, plebs. Subscriber only mode. You got to be subbed for over a year. At least 1 year. Thanks to Golf Guy Mike, we are going to be giving away cash money. We're going to do $100 to first place. We're going to do $75 to second place and $50 cash to third place. And everybody else will get exactly nothing, and you will like it. Exclamation mark NBT. We are going to do a duck race. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Good luck. I'm curious with 1 year subscriber only mode. I'm curious how many entries we will get. I bet we're going to get over 100. I'm going to say over 100. Actually, oh yeah, we're already at 75. Oh yeah, there's a lot of long time subs. Because you guys are you guys are awesome, that's why. Hey, we can get an entry now, chat. If we do get a pullback, we actually have an entry. We can actually take longs. So maybe we will. Maybe we will get one more entry. One more trade. One more trade. I want to take one more trade, but I want to make sure it's a winning trade. I should probably trade my Apex accounts, but we'll get to them next. We'll get to them the next time. What could go wrong? That's right, D. You know what I'm going to do today, chat? With my new drone. With my new drone. Oh, I actually want to see some. I've got my ND filters. Look at this. Look at that. Custom ND filters for the Mavic Pro. If you're a professional, you know you need to have them ND filters. And what I'm going to do. Oh, chat, we got to pay attention. We might have a trade. See, technically, this is literally still crossing the EMAs here. Oh, I don't know, man. This is like you could take an entry and you could kind of not take an entry. I kind of like an entry here, though. But I got to wait till this candle closes. Got to wait for this candle to close. All right. But I'm going to time lapse. I'm going to mow my lawn and I'm going to run a time lapse on my drone. So I'm going to do a time lapse on the drone of me mowing the lawn. It's going to be epic. Can't wait. I can't wait. It's going to be great. And I think I have enough batteries. I don't know. I need to make sure. Got to have enough batteries to do it. All right, hang on. We got to. All right, if we get entered here, I'm going to take this trade. If we get entered, if our entry hits, we are going to take it. it's not a great trade, but if we get filled, we're in. We're in, chat. And we have been triggered. Come on. Let's just rip this thing straight up, chat. Rip it! I see a lost drone. No, we ain't. No. This drone cannot be lost. That is not going to happen. We cannot afford that. If this doesn't go well on my drone, I will probably not be able to get another one. The wife, I pulled out all the strings on this one, so it's going to be difficult if we mess this up. Come on, market. Don't even make me sweat this. I don't want to sweat. I just want to see it rip to the new heavens. Up through the 900s. Come on. Just do it. Do it. Rip it. Come on. Rip it. Go. Go. I should feel like right here would be the conservative. We could conservatively take profit right here. I don't hate that. I kind of like it. This thing could just rip right back down, just like right here. Don't be like this, market. Don't do it. Don't do it, market. Come on. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that one bit. Why didn't you just go higher, man? You piece of trash. I'm going to try to be patient here. Let's try to be patient. Try to be patient here. I might actually just get out of this trade. I don't like this. Man. I wish I would have just taken my profit. I'll resume entries for a little bit, at least till we're out of this trade. I hate this. We gotta get a big rip right here. If we don't get a rip here, we're probably going to break down through the 800s. Let's see if we can get a ripper. Go. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it now. Man, that's so annoying. You can just tell that the bulls are tired. You can tell. The bulls are tired. They don't want to participate anymore. They tried, and this was their last effort. And now they just want to go back to sleep. I can tell. And here we go. This thing's going to just wick right down and stop us out. Unbelievable. That sucks. Maybe we get... Maybe the bulls have a push. Come on. Ribbit. Come on, man. I give up. I give up. This is going to stop us out. Absolute travesty. Gosh, I hate when it does that. Stupid market. And we are stopped out right about now. Right now. Right now. Don't worry, Chad. This is the hope and nope strategy. Don't you worry. This is going to give us a little bit of hope, and then it's just going to wick right down and take us out. Don't get it twisted. I've seen this movie 100 times. Hundreds of times. See? Gives you a little bit of hope. And then it says, just kidding. Whoop! The hope and nope strategy. Tried and true. Never fails. It never fails. It's just going to give us a little bit of hope. And then it's going to say, nope. Just wait for it, chat. Just wait. And here it goes. And boom. We are stopped out. Thank you very much for playing. And we are stopped right now. Right now. Just stop me out. Let's get it over with. Let's get it over with, man. There it is. Thank you very much, market. Appreciate it. You jerk. Watch this thing rip higher now. Don't you dare. Don't. Chat. This ain't my first rodeo, man. This ain't my first rodeo. Come on, Rabbit. Go. Go, you jerk. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Oh, please do not do the hope and nope. If you do the hope and nope again, we are gonna have issues. Ribbit! Ribbit! Go! Go! Come on! Go! That's right! Go! Just do it! Break above the 900s! Come on! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Oh, you trash can. I should probably just take this off. Ribbit! You know what? I'm doing this for you, chat. This is for you. I know a lot of you are long and you want the market to keep going higher. This is for you, chat. I probably should have let one runner go, but I know myself. I know myself. And if this dumps, if this comes right back down and stops me out, Nutty 2.0 it will be in jeopardy. We might have to do Nutty 3.0 tomorrow if that thing dumps and stops me out again. This was a classic move. Classic move by the market makers. Look, chat, we got shot right in the tick. It hurt. It hurt. It hurt me down to my core. But we didn't freak out. And we just waited for the next entry and we took it. We took that like a man. Those trades put hair on your chest. I'm not sure about women. That hopefully that doesn't happen for the ladies, but I know as a man, those are the kind of trades that put some hair on your chest. Makes you a man. All right, chat. Let's do our giveaway. All right. We have 180 entries, chat. You guys are awesome. Let's go. All right, hang on. We're going to do the giveaway. You know this market's going to go higher. You know it will. We all know it. I know it. You know it. We all know it. It's okay, though. We're okay. All right, here we go, chat. 15 names. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Golf Guy Mike, are you here? I hate doing this without Golf Guy Mike here, but we got to do it. We got to do it. Again, shout out Golf Guy Mike. All right, here we go. The first name is going to be Mickey D9M. Congratulations and good luck, Miggy. Next name, Justin Lowe, TW. Let's go. Good luck to you, my friend. Again, these are all been subscribed for over a year. Let's go. Next name. Hey, let's go. One Girl Trader. Congratulations and good luck. Next name is going to be Rodri-T4D. Rodri-T4D. Good luck. Next name, Elback Canyo. I'm not sure about that name. I'm going to say Elback Canyo. Next name. Look at that. Mambo Trader 23. Let's go, Mambo Trader 23. Next name's going to be Small Trader. Good luck to you. Next name, Yash. It's Yash Trades Futures. Let's go. Good luck, Yash. Next name's going to be SMT Hunter X. SMT Hunter X. Next name is Crispy House. Crispy House is in. Good luck. All right, we got to remove 5 names. Don't worry, you're still in the race. All right, next name, Bolitri. Bolitri is in the duck race. Good luck. Next name, Motorsports 101. Good luck to you. And the next name will be Ryan Dynamo. Ryan Dynamo. Good luck to you, Ryan. Here we go. 2 more names. Next name's going to be Dummy Trader 7986. Let's go, Dummy Trader 7986. Here we go. Next name. This is the final name. Who's it going to be? It is Zubka 144. Zubka 144. All right, there you go. We officially have our names. All right, market pulling back again. Man, it's giving me a tempting entry again. I'm not going to take it. We're going to do the duck race. All right, here are the names. Again, first, second, and third place will get a cash giveaway. First place at $100. Second place, $75. And third place, $50. All right. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. It's going to be 2 minutes. Again, thank you to Golf Guy Mike for sponsoring the duck race. We're going to shuffle the characters one time. And are we ready? All right, everybody. Good luck. Here we go, and the ducks are off. Here we go. It is SMTH Hunter. We've got One Girl Trader taking the early lead in the green duck. We've got SMT Hunter. Yash Trades at the bottom of your screen. We've got Donald Duck is Zupku 1444. And Dummy Trader Bolitri now. The alien duck is taking the lead. Subku, Donald Duck is currently taking the lead with 1 minute and 20 seconds to go. Where's Mambo Trader? Top of your screen at the back of the pack. He's reserving his energy. We've got Yash Trades, Rodri, Dummy Trader, and Motorsports 101. Here comes SMT8, SMT Hunter X is picking up speed and making his move. Here we go, and the market is ripping higher. Subku maintains his lead. Here comes One Girl Trader and SMT Hunter. One Girl Trader is now challenging Donald Duck for the lead with 40 seconds to go. Who's it gonna be? It always comes down to the last 10 seconds. Here comes Ryan Dynamo. Ryan Dynamo now making a move. He's picking up speed and he takes the lead. Oh, barely. Donald Duck held him off with 20 seconds to go, and Donald Duck ran out of steam. Subku is out of steam. Mambo Trades now in the lead. Can he hold on? Who's it going to be? Rodri. Donald Duck. Oh no, here comes Subku. Subku comes back and takes the win. Subku. Donald Duck came out of nowhere and he had enough in the tank. Oh my goodness. Jose Subku takes home the win. All right, who's going to be in second and third place? I was not paying attention. Let's see who is in second and third place. All right, everybody, good luck. And the official results are in. And there you go. Coming in third place is Dummy Trader 7986. And coming in second place is Ryan Dynamo. Ryan Dynamo coming in second place. And in first place, like you saw, Zubku comes in first place. Again, shout out to Golf Guy Mike for sponsoring the duck race today. Congratulations for all those that won. And better luck next time for those that didn't win. Better luck next time. Donald Duck won. Who would have thought? Should have seen that coming, chat. Should have seen it coming. All right, I'm going to share. This is what you need to do for those first, second, and third place. All right, that's what I need. That is what I need from you, chat. First, second, and third place, send me an email to nuttybar1983@gmail.com. Make sure you include a screenshot of your YouTube channel and make sure it's you. And also include your PayPal email address. If you don't have PayPal, I can do Venmo as well. Just let me know in the email what you can do and I'll get it sent to you. So, all right, good luck. Thanks again, everyone, for playing. Here we go. Market is just slowly grinding higher. Man, I can't believe we got shot. I mean, we literally got stopped out right here. I'm trying to think if our net results would have been same. Because then here we had 60 plus. If I would have taken not quite, but we'll be okay. There may be some late night ballots incoming. GMAT. Okay. Let's we'll turn off. Let's go back. Anyone can anyone can chat again. The plebs can get back in. I need to narrate your trades the same way you narrate the duck race. Oh my goodness. I wouldn't have a voice. Oh, that would be funny though. I would have been a 2-year plus subscriber, but I have tilt days where I unsubscribe and throw everything Oh no, Trader 808. Are you serious? You get so tilted you unsubscribe. I don't know why that's funny, but that's funny. That yeah, that's too funny, Trader 808. You get so tilted that you unsubscribe from all the traders on YouTube. I have never I will admit I have never reached that level of tilt. That's too funny. You're on tilt and you're like, it's this guy's fault and this guy's fault and this guy's fault, and I'm unsubbing from everyone. Oh, that's too funny. I don't know why that tickles me so much, but I can see myself doing that. I'm like, you know what? It's your fault. It's your fault. I'm just gonna unsub to everybody. Well, I guess the Trader 808. I guess next time you do that, you might want to rethink. I guess those are just the consequences of your actions. I was messing with, no, David Wren, did you unsub? Oh no. Oh no, David Wren. Oh no, chat. Some of you guys really got, that's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. I never even thought of that, David Wren, but I never thought of that. If you unsubbed and then resubbed just for fun. Oh no, don't do it. Don't do it, chat. Look at this thing go. Wow. My voice is cooked. Oh, my voice is cooked. Oh no, Tate, you did as well. Yeah, I remember when we got close to 20,000 subs, quite a bit of you guys were playing. You were playing games. You didn't realize that you just cooked your own self. Oh man, that's unfortunate, but what can I do? What can I do? You're a pleb now. That is unfortunate though. I can feel your pain. Okay, I feel like we need to hang around a little bit. I was kind of, we might actually get some more setups. I think we got to hang around. Let's see if we can get, if we can get one more good trade. If we can get one more good trade, we can take a daily payout on Take Profit Trader. We can take a daily payout on Take Profit Trader, man. Why did I made 1 year sub mode? Poor guy 8657. Because we were doing a cash giveaway. I'm sorry, but somebody donated, Golf Guy Mike donated $100, and it was up to him. We did a 1 year giveaway, 1 year subscriber only. It is what it is. Just email you. Hey, thank you, Zubku. Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh no, Bill C. You missed it. I'm sorry. It's too, that's funny, John. Yep. Yeah, sorry, Bill. Sorry. I would hopefully you'll get him next time. All right, we are. Man, I would love just to slow grind higher the rest of the day. But I also do need to go mow my lawn, so I'm not sure how to do this. Have you ever listened to Duck Race by Imagination Movers? I have not, Mark. I have not. I might need to do that. I know you've been here from the beginning, Bill C. I appreciate you, man. This thing is just wanting to. We're right at the overnight high again. Gosh, I am so. I'm glad I actually took that trade, man. I'm happy. I'm trying. That's one thing that I'm trying to do better at is if I take an entry and I get another entry, I just have to take it. I missed an entry like 2 days ago. I missed an entry because of that. And it's like, you just got to shoot your shot. If you get, I mean, hey, if we would have gotten stopped out here, it would have probably been the last trade of the day and it would have sucked. But we got to take the trades if they're if we have a setup, we got to take them. We might get a setup here. Let's see. Let's hang out. Let's wait and see. Man, come on. I need a deeper pullback than that. Oh. Oh. I'm going to take only one micro here if I do get it set up. I didn't know you could hide that. I mean, technically the entry, I don't have an entry yet. I need to wait till we pull back at least. I'd love to see a pullback to the 900s. Come on. Can we get a pullback to the 900s? Man, this is where it gets very. This is probably the hardest part because, I mean, I feel like I could justify an entry here, but it's kind of one of those borderline entries where if you take a trade here, You're literally right at the highs. And we need a bigger pull. I need a deeper pullback before I can get in. Just got to get a deeper pullback. But a lot of times when the market's really strong, we get these micro pullbacks and then it just rips to new highs. So it is what it is. I guess we just miss out. All right, maybe we get the pullback right here. I love a pullback into the 880s. Excuse me. Man, my voice is cooked. Hey, check my email. Hang on. Did you send the email to why do yes. Perfect. Ryan, I got your email. And Zabuku, I got your email. Thank you. All right, we're getting that pullback. Now we just need to wait, be patient. Gotta wait for an entry. Wow, look at this. We are getting a deeper pullback. I don't hate it. Let's just be patient. I gotta wait. See if we get an entry. All right, our entry would be here, which means our stop loss would be here. Target would probably have to be somewhere there. See if we get filled. Hey, look at this. Mad Cow. How we doing, Mad Cow? I thought for sure your wife got you that time, but he keeps coming back, chat. I still never got a duck race. Well, you have to be here, Mad Cow. You got to be here. Winners will most likely get a Venmo audit from the IRS. Hey, Ryan and Zubku, you should be good to go. All right, this thing looking a little bit weak. Might doesn't look like we're gonna get an entry here. It's Mad Cow. Let's go, Ryan. You are welcome. All right. We might. Man, I don't know how I feel about this. Let's see if we get filled. You know what? I'm gonna switch and trade my Apex accounts on this trade. If I get filled. Can I have some shark tea? All right, looks like we might not get filled here. Hey, Roland Barbito, thanks for the sub. I appreciate it. Are we gonna get an entry here or not? Okay, this will be if we close below the 830s, whatever, we are out of this trade, or we don't take this entry. Let's see if we get triggered. Are we gonna get filled? Are we gonna get filled? Moment of truth right here. Let's see. Negative. No fill for you. Man, I guess technically I could still, I mean, this thing literally closed right at, I guess we can still get an entry here, so we'll keep it for this candle yet. We basically closed right at that EMA. I started watching you on your first month of struggle, and to see you reaching payout now, it's just amazing. I believe that it's possible if you believe in something. Thank you, Double O Clinch. I mean, it's been a struggle. It's still not. I feel better. I feel better about my trading the last. You know, it's only been 3 days, but last 3-4 days, I feel way better about my trading than I have the last 3 months. So I know we haven't fully, like, the first real test we are going to have is one of those kind of like tilt. It's going to be one of those days where I am going to get tilted. And am I going to stick to, we're in, chat. We're in. We are in. All right. I'm just going to take profit up here and, come on, baby. Rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Whoa, what's happening? What is happening? What? Chat, somebody tell me what happened? Why the Sam Hill? I'm so confused. What? Why? Why? Hang on. I gotta rewatch this. When I entered. What in the chat? Look. Look at this. I only got filled right here. Like, okay, look at this. So on my lead account, I should have been filled at the 873s. In reality, I only got filled at the 897s. And it was on the wrong account. I kind of panicked out there because I thought I was somehow on the wrong side of the trade, but that is the first time I've had that happen that bad. How did it? I have no idea how that happened. Anyway, I mean, it's fine. I mean, that's a crazy look chat. Hang on. Let me do this. Look at this. So this is where 874s right here is where I entered. Now watch. I'm still not in the trade. Literally, I didn't get filled or the trade. Okay, I got to watch the actual entry. Okay, right here, watch. How? Okay, right there, it's filled. Did I have the wrong market order on? I don't know. Maybe I did. Maybe I did. But look at this. We literally, and what I don't understand, it was literally sitting right there. It's not like the market hit my entry and then ripped higher. It was literally sitting here. I am negative for a good 2-3 seconds. Like 2 to 3 seconds. I should have been filled. I should have been filled easy. Look, it had plenty of, look, I'm 10 ticks in negative. I'm 10 ticks negative, and it still didn't fill me. What kind of trash is that? That is BS. What was that? That is so insane. How is that not filled? And now it goes. I should have, dude, right there, it had another chance to fill me. And then it filled me there. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is triggering me. That's terrible. That is terrible. I don't know. Somebody explain that. Somebody tell me what happened there. That was crazy. They were having data issues. I don't know. That's definitely, that's the worst I've ever seen. I've never seen that before. So I don't know, chat. You know what? You know what? I think that's a great time to just walk away. Because I actually meant, and this is the other issue. I was copy trading my Apex accounts, yet somehow, oh, you know what it was? I know what it was, chat. I know what it was. I just figured it out. Yep, I know what it was exactly. Okay, I'm an idiot. Let me show you, chat. I'll show you right now. I'll show you what it was. I know what I did wrong. I know what I did wrong. Here, let me show you. Here, let me. Okay, chat. See, right here was my buy stop order. I placed my buy stop order right here at the 896s. At that current time, I was still copy trading these accounts. I was copy trading these accounts right here. And then I decided, you know what? I'm actually going to switch. I'm going to copy trade my Apex accounts. So then I went to my copy trader. I changed it to my Apex accounts, but because I had already placed a buy stop order here, it remembered that, and those orders remained there. And then later I went and moved my target, my buy stop order, I moved lower. What I'm not sure about is I'm not sure why the copy trader didn't fill me right here on the Apex accounts. Interesting. Anyway, whatever. Now it makes sense and we can move on. That was my fault. We gotta note to self, don't do that. Don't be switching your trade copying while you have orders placed on, like, while you have actual active orders. That's just dumb. So that's actually what happened. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. I'm still gonna, I think I'm gonna walk away. I might, if we take out that, this here would be $800. We could withdraw another $800 from take profit tonight. I might do that. I am going to watch the market this afternoon. I might take some trades on the Apex accounts. But for now, I got to go mow the lawn. I got to go get started. So, yeah, I think I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it. We'll be back tomorrow, chat. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being here. Thank you, everybody, for your support. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. I would appreciate it. And we will be back tomorrow. Nutty 2.0 lives. Hey, Golf Guy Mike. Golf Guy Mike. Hey, you missed it. I did the giveaway. I waited for you, but you must have. We figured you were golfing. We figured you were golfing, Golf Guy Mike. So again, thank you so much, Golf Guy Mike. Sorry that you missed your own sponsored giveaway, but I couldn't keep waiting too long. So take care. I appreciate it again. And we'll be back tomorrow, chat. We'll be back tomorrow. Take care and God bless. It was a great one. It was great. I was indoor golfing and had no service. We said either you're at a bar celebrating or you're out golfing. All right. Thank you, Golf Guy Mike. Thanks again, everybody. Take care and God.